Hi everyone and welcome to Flap. My name is Yashmita and today we will talk about what led me to make these videos, what inspired me to make these videos. So up until few months back I was binge watching Netflix and watching all these series, web series and so much of content I was looking. But after this COVID situation happened, my office was like on and off and I had this more free time. So but by then I was just full of this Netflix content and I just didn't want to watch Netflix anymore. So I was just scrolling down the YouTube page and I got this video suggestion. It was like a motivational video that you watch these days, and so I watched that video, and after watching that video, it sparked something inside me. I don't know why, but I just something inside me activated after I watched that video. It may be because when I was in college, I used to read these books from Dr. Wayne Dyer. Since my dad is a very big fan of his, I used to borrow his books and I used to read all of his books. My favorite one was The Power of Intention. It was way back when I was in college, so it was very. And after that, I stopped reading those books. So when I watched that video, suddenly all those memories of motivational and inspirational stuff just came into my mind, and I felt so peaceful. So later on, I started the series of watching these videos only, like spiritual videos, where I was watching this Jack Canfield, Michael Beckwith, Dr. Wayne Dyer's audios and videos. So I was just very much, I was just enjoying these videos so much because after all this Netflix content, we just stopped using our mind to that level. We are just watching blindly anything and everything. So when I was watching these videos, I felt so motivated. But there was one thing that was very common when I was watching these motivational and spiritual videos, and that was I was getting these ads of this really creepy ad from a company called Mindvalley, and this Indian looking guy with a much foreign accent would tell us about all these altered states of mind and really creepy type of things, very weird things. So whenever that ad came up, I would just skip it as quickly as possible because it was really frustrating, and I just didn't like that ad. So every time I was skipping it every day I was skipping it, and later on I was just so frustrated to the level that I had to finally report that ad to YouTube that I don't like this ad and don't show me this ad. I was so irritated by that ad. But the weird thing is the ad still continued in my videos, and I was just helpless. So one day on one Sunday, I decided to finally watch what this Mindvalley company is all about. So on a Sunday, I attended a masterclass from Mindvalley. It was about the 4 states of consciousness that we have, and things about how to activate the power of mind, and how to activate the intuition and things like that. And it was mostly about that we are not as powerless as we believe ourselves to be. We have this mind, and our mind can do amazing things. So anyway, I watched that masterclass, and I felt so amazing after watching that masterclass. It just opened up my mind to so many possibilities and so many ideas that we are just only limiting ourselves all the time, that I cannot do that, I cannot do this. So after watching that masterclass, I was so motivated. So after that, series of masterclasses came into my life from Mindvalley company. People these days are binge watching Netflix, and I was binge watching this Mindvalley stuff. I was binge watching Vishen Lakhiani all the time. So this is how the Mindvalley came into my life. So a few days back, I was just thinking about it, that why this thing happened, why I was being forced to watch that first video, why that ad was coming again and again into my life, why I almost felt like it was knocking at my door, please watch me, please watch me. So I was just thinking about it, and later on I concluded that maybe there is a chance that the universe wanted me to watch that masterclass, because after watching that masterclass, so many things opened up in my life, and if I'm able to make this video right now, it's only because I watched that first masterclass, and later on I introduced myself to so many concepts about the mind and so many things about that we have yet to learn. I invested a lot of time watching those videos. I invested a lot of time learning things about ourselves that we don't even know about ourselves. So maybe when there is a willingness to learn something, when there is a deeper desire to learn something, these things and these teachers just appear out of nowhere into your life. So they tell us the way, they guide us, they support us, and they hold our hand and take us to and lead us to where we are supposed to go. So maybe this is what the universe is telling us all the time. It is all the time telling us things and giving us clues and hints that maybe we are not listening to. Maybe there are things in your life as well, some people, a colleague, a boss, or a friend who is there into your life to teach you something, or to make something out of you, something bigger and something greater. But the thing is, as I dislike that creepy ad from Mindvalley, maybe we are avoiding certain circumstances in our life. Maybe we are avoiding certain things in our life that we think we are not comfortable with. But maybe these are the things that we have to pursue. Things that make us most uncomfortable are the things that we should go after. So for me, watching that Mindvalley ad was very uncomfortable, and I was literally being pushed to watch that first masterclass that I watched, and it literally changed my life. I have started to find new things inside myself. I'm rediscovering myself, and if I'm like I said, if I'm able to make this video, it's only because something within myself is activated, a deeper sense of confidence, a trust in myself, a trust in the universe, that whatever is happening, it is happening at the will of the universe, and it is the perfect plan. Whatever is happening is perfect, whatever has happened in the past is perfect, and whatever will happen in the future is perfect. So we should always look for these hints and clues, things that are coming again and again into our life, circumstances that are coming again and again. They are trying to tell us something, they want us to learn something, and until we learn those things, until we actualize the situation and take action on it, these things will continue into your life. So even if these are uncomfortable things that you want to avoid, go after them and find out what they are telling you, what they want you to discover within yourself. So in my case, I think that creepy Mindvalley ad has given me a lot to learn, and I'm really thankful for watching that masterclass, for watching all those videos from Mindvalley. It has literally changed my life, and I hope that you also find something uncomfortable into your life, something that you're avoiding, situations that you're avoiding. Go after them. I encourage you to go after them, so that you may actually find out what they are trying to tell you. So this is it for me, and much love to you and happiness to you. Thank you.